Good morning. Uh, so far, the lands are concerned, classification of lands and surveying the lands, obtaining patta, mutation of patta. For all this is a regular subject for which normally clients approaches you, and also as a practical living citizens, we must also know about all those things. See, earlier everybody has got their own system of land regularization. During the period of Sher Shah, some land administration was introduced, and after that, Akbar also attempted to introduce certain land system, and then that was Paimas number were given. Paimas number were given. Then thereafter, Lord Curzon became Governor General and Viceroy. He introduced a survey system, the lands which were under his control. Then thereafter our resurvey number, so many things are there. Now they are going to give computerized survey system number so that you can identify the situations of the land, the geographical situation of the land. So for that I would like to share certain things, certain terms which you must understand. There is an act called Tamil Nadu Survey and Boundaries Act 1923, amended 24 Act. There certain estate means any permanently settled estate, whether Jamindari, Jagir, Mitta or Palayam. See, this Jamindari means 1764 and 1674 and 17 Battle of Plassey and Battle of Buxar. The East India Company was permitted to have certain Barganas, that means districts. So they cannot interact with the local cultivators, ryots. Therefore, they appointed their own men. They are called Jamindar. So they have initially, that Jamindar has been allotted lands. These Jamindars are so many Pathans, Chaudhry, so many names were given, Andai, so many things. Then that is Jamindari means, Jamindar land means a settlement of land by English people. Jagir means it is system of Muslims handing over the lands to their brave soldiers. Mitta means a part of the land out of Jamindar. Then Palayam in southern district, they used to give land to Palayakarar, like Veerapandya, Kattabumni, Yattayappan, so many people. They were under control of land. So they used to collect varams, taxes, and so on, vaddi, all those things. So thereafter the collectors, you know the name of the collector. The British people used the name of the collector because they want collection of taxes from the land which was handed over to these Jamindaris and Jagirs, Mitta and Palayams. So that collector is still in India after independence. They, with the same nomenclature, used to collect and hand it over to politicians. Like that commissioner, collect commissions. Inspectors, police means they only inspect, they will not investigate. But Western countries, they used to have detectives. Here, I don't think the nomenclature should be altered. Inam of village. What is that? Inam of village means kings and rich people used to hand over villages to the temples or for any charitable purpose. If that is approved by the government, that village will be called as Inam. Then the government land, and then natham, village Grama natham, Porambokku, Eri Porambokku, and Washerman Pet land. So many things are there. Then there were a definition about proprietor of the land. Proprietor means whose name the estate is registered and under the control, or any other persons on behalf of them holding the land. That is, he is called a register holder. So survey means dividing the land with the boundaries. Survey mark means the survey officer can give some survey marks. These all are there. Then other provisions are there. You can very well apply for surveying the land if you do not have dispute, and if you have a dispute of the boundary, you can still exercise other provision for survey the land, and survey stones are being platted, and there are so many appeal, and as well as second appeal is also provided in this act. So for this you can very well have this much of knowledge about land. So for patta is concerned, patta, chitta, adangal. Patta means earmarking a land in name of private persons or government or temple, whoever may be, the entire land earmarked and surveyed with one boundary. The name will be there. Then there the assignment patta is there, dual patta is there, and say that Vodavara patta they used to call when Land Sealing Act was introduced, and the persons who are cultivating lands are equally clubbed with the owner of the land. These things are there, patta. Then you can also can seek transfer of patta, mutate the patta name from one place to other. If that was not given, you can go on appeal under Patta Passbook Act. All these things you must understand and try to. Then they say village admin was also village assistant, village officers, village admin, village accountant. These names were differently given in Kanyakumari and Sengote Taluk, Tirunelveli district. These Kanyakumari and Sengote were originally with Samasthanam, Kerala Samasthanam, Thiruvangur Samasthanam. But after we handing over the reorganization of the State Organization Act, Kerala when was separated, the Kanyakumari and Sengote was given back to Tamil Nadu, and our Palakkad was given to Kerala. These things are you must know about that. Therefore, the Palakkad Brahmins are considered as Tamil Brahmins. Their language, their mother tongue is Tamil. Then all these things are there. Then what about if still they are not giving patta? Now see manual patta is there, then electronic patta is there. Still the people, the government officials who are now redirected to deal with the applications for patta, legal certificate, succession certificate, relationship certificate, death certificate, birth certificate. Instead of demanding bribe, they used to give certificate with defective particulars. The tactics they are dealing with, and the courts are tolerating that unless and until some hard hand has pressed against these government officials. They are not supposed. They are not going to alter themselves. In Tamil Nadu Survey and Boundaries Act, there shall be a second appeal and also revision suo motu revision. If thereafter, if you instead of applying the revision, you can straight away file a writ of cessation repaid mandamus or writ of mandamus if any appeal is kept pending. So that knowledge you must have. So these all are the very important particulars. Chitta, adangal. Chitta means a part of patta. Adangal means the land in which you are cultivating what kind of crop. So there according to adangal, you may be taxed for such crops or whatever may be the agriculture productions. These things are there. And there are Porambokku land was also there, Mechal Porambokku, so many Vaikal Porambokku, so many Porambokku, Matuvandi Porambokku, Cart Porambokku, all these things you should understand. So for lands are custom. Best